Dear loving ones, today, 14th of November, a very special day dedicated to you. On this special day, I'm delighted to wish you all very happy Children's Day. You, the children, are the world's most valuable resource and the best hope for the future. Your every little action, your achievement, your smile, they make our heart filled with joy and inspire us a lot. Children's Day marked the birth anniversary of our first Honorable Prime Minister of India. He is called Chacha Nehru because of his love towards the children. He believed that it is the children who have the power to make India the greatest nation on earth. You are the future of our country. Do your best to reach greater heights. COVID pandemic has changed education dramatically. We have indeed learned a new way of operating school. But let us go slow and also pray that we return to our school physically at the earliest to help the holistic development of our students. The biggest takeaway from this situation is how much more we should be investing in developing relationships that usually gets neglected during the regular school year. On this special situation, invest your time to do some healthy physical activity, do build relationships, laugh, play, bond with the family members. These memories will be more powerful in impacting your personality. Together, we shall overcome new challenges and learn to accept that we can live a minimalist lifestyle. Hope we learn to be more grateful and express our gratitude to nature for all the blessings that we had taken for granted. My heartfelt love to all of you and wish you a happy Children's Day. Happy learning, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Good morning to the respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today, we all have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. Dear friends, today I am going to give a short speech on Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated in India every year with great enthusiasm on 14th of November. 14th of November is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the legendary freedom fighter and the first Prime Minister of the independent India. Children's Day is celebrated on Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday because he loved children very much. Children fondly call him Chacha Nehru. He was very fond of the roses and children all through his life. He always said that children are the future of tomorrow. Children are blessing of God. Children are flowers of God's house. Children are very small but have capability to change the nation positively. Children have every right to live their lives. Today, the whole country is worried about the increasing in child abuse cases. In the present age, taking care of mental and physical health of children is very important. Children's minds are fragile. They need good rights and good education. Children's heart is very clear to make a bright future for our country. Our children should be made healthy in every way. Children need special care and protection. Children should receive proper love and care from family. I thank everyone for giving me the opportunity to speak here. Thank you.
നെഹ്റുവിൻ്റെ ജന്മനാൾ നാം നമിക്കും നല്ല നാൾ, നമ്മിലുള്ള തിന്മ മാറ്റി നന്മ നൽകും പുണ്യനാൾ. നെഹ്റുവിൻ്റെ ജന്മനാൾ നാം നമിക്കും നല്ല നാൾ, നമ്മിലുള്ള തിന്മ മാറ്റി നന്മ നൽകും പുണ്യനാൾ. നേർവഴിക്കു നീങ്ങിടാൻ നാടിൻ നന്മ കാത്തിടാൻ, നമ്മളെല്ലാം നെഹ്റു തീർത്ത നേരിൻ പാത താണ്ടനം. നേർവഴിക്കു നീങ്ങിടാൻ നാടിൻ നന്മ കാത്തിടാൻ, നമ്മളെല്ലാം നെഹ്റു തീർത്ത നേരിൻ പാത താണ്ടണം. നല്ല വിദ്യ നേടണം, നീതിബോധം കാക്കണം. നല്ലവരായി നമുക്ക് ചുറ്റും നന്മയാൽ നിറയ്ക്കണം. നല്ല വിദ്യ നേടണം, നീതിബോധം കാക്കണം. നല്ലവരായി നമുക്ക് ചുറ്റും നന്മയാൽ നിറയ്ക്കണം. നല്ലവരായി നമുക്ക് ചുറ്റും നന്മയാൽ നിറയ്ക്കണം. നല്ലവരായി നമുക്ക് ചുറ്റും നന്മയാൽ നിറയ്ക്കണം.
Time is not measured by the passing of years, but by what one does, what one feels, and what one achieves. Happy Children's Day, all my dear friends.
I am Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I am the first Prime Minister of India. My father's name is Motilal Nehru. My mother's name is Swarup Rani. I love children very much. Children call me Chacha Nehru. Jai Hind.
Good morning, everybody. I am Ashmi Kayas from first standard. Now I would like to speak about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He liked children very much. Children liked him and called him Chachaji. Chachaji was born on 14th November 1889. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day every year. He played key role for making New India. He was also a freedom fighter. Chachaji is one of our great pupils like Babuji, Netaji and Kalamji. Chachaji is a role model for all children. Jai Jai Chachaji, Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you.
Hello my dear children, I am Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I was born on November 14, 1889. I was a freedom fighter. I became the first Prime Minister of independent India. I love children very much. Children call me Chachaji. My birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. I would like to wish all my dear children a very very happy Children's Day. Jai Hind.
Hi friends, today is 14th November Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. 14th November, the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of the India. He was very fond of children and roses all his life. Children lovingly call him Chachaji. Again, I wish Happy Children's Day. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. I'm Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I'm the first Prime Minister of India. My father's name is Motilal Nehru and mother's name is Swarup Rani. I love children very much. Children call me Chachaji. My favorite flower is rose. To success in our life, what we need is education. Happy Children's Day. Jai Hind. I am Chachaji. I love kids. Jai Hind.